Okay, this is not actually the apartment for the video you're looking at right now. This is the very first apartment in this complex, little complex that we got up and running. And so this is kind of my model video. It's not the actual one. Large living room, bamboo floors. Got a central air, or not central, it got air conditioning. We added overhead lights all over the place. You got a nice kitchen, new stove, new refrigerator, fun new countertops, stove hood, lots and lots of cabinet storage. And remember, always look for that deep well sink. That's what you want. Can't wash dishes without it. The gooseneck. Nice, good little kitchen. Got a hallway closet right there. Sorry if this is bouncing around a little. I rolled my ankle and I'm really hobbling. All these are going to have bathrooms with everything a bathroom needs. And then a large bedroom, again with the bamboo floors. Remember, this is not actually the video of the apartment you're looking at. It's just to give you an idea of what an apartment in this place looks like. There are, gosh, 8 with this floor plan. And then there are 8 with a different floor plan. But this is what they're going to look like. They're going to have bamboo floors, remodeled kitchens, everything a bathroom needs, air conditioning. Nice, nice spaces right in the heart of West Central. All right, again, not the exact apartment you're looking at, but it gives you an idea of where we're going. Thanks.